Day 241 of my body transformation. Rest day natin sa gym, pero sinisipag tayo maging active today. Kaya pupunta pa din tayo dito. Since wala naman tayong nakaschedule na workout, maglalakad na lang tayo sa treadmill. Sakto at pinadalan tayo ng Amazfit ng Active 2 Round, isang smart device that can track our steps, heart rate, and even our calories burned. Meron din tong over 160 plus sports mode, including high rocks. And it automatically detects when we're exercising. Nabibilang nito ang reps, sets, and even rest time. Madami pa tong features such as offline maps, HRV, Pi, Zep Flow AI Assistant, and many more. Although yung iba, hindi na applicable sa lifestyle and routine natin. What I like most about the Amazfit Active 2 Round is its sleek and lightweight design. So even outside the gym, pwede pa din natin to suotin. May smartwatch man or wala, ang mahalaga, maging consistent tayo sa pag-show up for ourselves. Kahit one step at a time lang, para tuloy-tuloy lang ang progress natin. Maraming salamat, Amazfit. Yan na muna ngayon. Bukas ulit.